Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech Tips by Kartik. How to install Windows 11 without TPM and secure boot on your old PC. First, download the Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft. I'm skipping the video waiting period, downloading part. Here is downloaded Windows 11 ISO file. Now open the Rufus app, free available on internet. Select the pen drive and then select the ISO file. After that, click on Start button. Check the first two options and click OK. Now Rufus show the warning for format the drive, click OK. I'm skipping the video waiting period for complete the process. Now our bootable pen drive for Windows 11 is ready to install without TPM and secure boot. Now complete the installation process directly or through running from boot menu. I'm already using Windows 11, so I skip the installation part. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.